Most people think that the internet is just a collection of digital brochures that we call websites, and I love building those for clients, but I wanted to build something a little different. I wanted to build a unique high-performance web application. This is a tool where the value actually lives inside of the website instead of the website directing them to somewhere else where the value lives. So I was kind of tired of the heavy whiteboards that I had been using before. You know, the ones that take forever to load. You have to log in. Even if it's to a free account, you have to log in to give them your information before you even know if you like the thing. And everything is really feature rich. There's more than you want to do on that. So I wanted to build something that felt like a physical notepad. Instant, clean, and professional. I looked into existing whiteboard libraries to see if I could just plug and play and build something and just connect different pieces of software that already existed. But everything was either bloated, there was a paywall, or it didn't do the things that I wanted. So I did the hard thing. I went back to the drawing board and built it from scratch. No Canvas templates, no shortcuts, just literally raw code. And here's the cool part, you don't even need an account in order to save your work. Why, you might ask? Well, because of a little magic known as local storage. I've been talking with my friend Andrew Miller about this a lot recently, and we're both kind of getting obsessed with the possibilities of this technology. What most people don't realize is that a database is just a computer, and in our modern day of most things being cloud-based, that computer is just somewhere else. It's provided by one of the tech giants like Amazon. And we use that computer to store our data on it, and we just request that information from them whenever we need it. But here's the cool thing. Your machine, your computer, or your phone has its own storage, like you already know, right? You can put files and folders in there. And inside of your internet browser, you can store data inside of the browser itself. And so I built this whiteboard to store data there right inside of your machine. It's private, it's yours, it's incredibly lightweight. And I even built a little readout tool inside of the whiteboard so that you can see how much storage it's taking up inside of that browser storage. You can literally watch the app manage its own memory in real time. The free version is a standalone tool that lives just on your computer. And obviously that does have limitations. You're not able to collaborate with other people, and you can't have more than one board. So I built the bridge into a premium tier for $5 a month, where you can share your boards with other people, they can draw on them, and you can have multiple boards as well. Again, I wanted something that was free to use, like to use the actual thing, but then the premium tier is just to be able to collaborate with other people because they can't access your computer. And so we need to use that third-party database in order for them to actually get the drawing as well, if that makes sense. This project really wasn't about just building a better whiteboard. It was about proving a point that I think in our day and age where everything is moving to subscription, there is a hunger for people to own their own software and for tools to actually be made available to people for free. And local storage is a way that developers like me can actually build useful tools and put it out into the world for free because you're storing all of the data on your computer. I'm not having to pay for storing that on my computer or paying to store it on somebody else's computer. So there's these cool micro SaaS products, you could say, that I'm building and that I can build for companies that provide immense value, and why not make it free? So if you want to see what happens when you treat your browser like a workstation rather than just a window to view somebody else's information, go to EZwhiteboard.com and start drawing. No sign up, no friction, just a canvas that works. Enjoy.